Well, things have gotten out of control.
Si tu ne m'aimes pas, si tu ne m'aimes pas, je t'aime. Et si je t'aime, si je t'aime, prends garde à toi.
Stick around and watch me clean this place from top to bottom. I will rise from my filthy ashes like a phoenix. I'm starting by picking up all the dirty clothes around my apartment so that I can get them in the wash right away. You're probably wondering how my apartment got this messy. Final exams were brutal. I was fighting for survival. You know how it goes. Now is the best time to get my life together, so I hope you'll join me. I'm removing all the clutter in the living room. After wiping off the table, it's time to vacuum. And now it's time for the before and after. Next, I pick up all this junk that's accumulated in my kitchen. This counter was covered in dried up spinach, and it was really satisfying to scrape it off. The kitchen sink is arguably the most disgusting part. I made sure to toss the trash and rinse off the recyclables. I give the sink its first scrub down to remove most of the buildup. And then I give it a second wipe down to make it shine. The sink looks incredible. I fill the sink with water and add Dr. Bronner's soap, and while the sink fills up, I wipe down the counters. I remove the metal coils and plates on my oven so that they can soak in a nice warm bubble bath. I spray down the oven and allow it to soak while I wipe down the walls. Now that that's out of the way, it was time to clean off the bathroom counters and restock my shelves. The bathtub needed a little TLC, but then it was sparkling. I think the toilet is the most annoying task in the bathroom, but I used toilet paper to wipe off the icky parts, and soon enough, it was done. Just look at the difference. I was feeling so overwhelmed walking into this bathroom. And now I feel at peace. If you've enjoyed this video so far, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. This channel will be all about lifestyle improvement, so stick around for more videos.